Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the review of the Southwest Rapid Reward Plus credit card. I'm going to break down its key features, the pros and the cons. So by the end of this video, you will know whether this card is the right fit for you. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the best credit cards and financial products. Alright, so without further delay, let's jump into the features of this card. So the Southwest Rapid Reward Plus credit card is designed with frequent Southwest Airlines flyers in mind. So here is what you are going to get. So you will earn 2 points per dollar on Southwest purchases, rapid rewards, hotels and car rentals partners, local transit, and even on your internet, cable, and phone services. For all other purchases, you will earn 1 point per dollar. One of the highlight of this particular card is the 50,000 plus points that you get after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. So that would be around $500 to $750 in value depending on how you redeem them. Now every year on your card anniversary you will get 3,000 points, plus you will enjoy 2 early bird check-ins annually, 25% back on in-flight purchases, and a boost of 10,000 champion pass qualifying points each year. So the card also offers some solid protections including lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, extended warranty protection, and purchase protection. Now let's talk about the cost. So the APR on purchases and the balance transfers ranges from 21.49% to 28.49% depending on your creditworthiness, and cash advances come with an APR of 30.24%. The card also has a $69 annual fee and a 3% foreign transaction fee, which is a bit surprising for the travel card. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of this particular card. So if I talk about the pros, the $50,000 points sign-up bonus is a strong incentive, especially for Southwest flyers. The 3,000 annual anniversary points help offset the $69 annual fee. Great earning potential on Southwest related purchases and essential services. So if I talk about the cons, obviously the $69 annual fee might be fully offset by the perks unless you are a frequent Southwest flyer. The 3% foreign transaction fee makes it a poor choice for international travel. Earning only 1 point per dollar on non-Southwest purchases isn't as competitive as other travel cards. So to warm things up, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card can be great pick for the first year, especially with that big sign-up bonus. However, unless you are a loyal Southwest customer, it might not be worth keeping in the long run due to the annual fee and the foreign transaction charges. So if you want to apply for this card, I will put the link of it down in the description, so you can come over here, and here you just have to click on sign in to apply faster. After that, it will redirect you on the sign up page where you need to provide some of your personal details, and you just have to successfully apply for this credit card. Now, if you find this review helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you are thinking about getting this card. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.